Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I complete my education's MA and B.Ed course. I like to study different varieties books, and I like to watch the TV programs and other social activities and programs. Interview. Please sir, may I coming? Yes, come here and take your seat. Why are you um, participate in this job? I am thinking that this is a very qualified job and this is a good job. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 30,000 salary only. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. Okay, I call you later. Hi, Reba, my birthday has been coming after 2 days. I want to call you and your all family. I have a fun of lot with you, so I want to invite you. I hope that I would fun with you on the whole day. I am waiting for you. Yes, of course, I would meeting you. I want to enjoy with you. Through the columns of his esteemed daily, I like to ventilate my protest against that addiction is a great resident, that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. How do you enjoying in this Durga Puja festivals? Durga Puja is the great festival. The varieties, customs, and languages are involved and celebrations in these occasions of Durga Puja. The varieties, persons, and languages are involved in these enjoyable days in this occasion of the Durga Puja. India is the unity of the diversity. India has the unity of the diversity. The varieties, customs, and different languages are stayed in this land for the long time, and they are involved all the occasions and social part in this land. So they are create the associations of the society. Our national flag has 3 different colors. The top of colors saffron, the middle of the colors white, and the bottom of the colors green, and the Ashok Chakra in the middle is